solo parent and hardworking mom. You think love conquers all? Think again. When social media and big age gaps collide in the Philippines, confusion, drama, and heartbreak are never far behind. Let's discuss why the combination of youth, attention, and validation online has turned many age gap relationships into taking time bombs. Today, we are diving into one of the most misunderstood and often explosive topics: social media and age gap Filipina relationships. If you are a foreigner dating or married to a younger Filipina, or even thinking about it, this talk might open your eyes. Because what looks like love online often hides layers of confusion, mixed motives, and digital illusions. Let's start with a fantasy. Many older foreign men believe a young Filipina is naturally loyal, respectful, and traditional. Meanwhile, many younger Filipinos believe an older foreign man offers emotional stability, experience, and financial support. But once you add social media, everything changes. That same young woman who once admired her older partner now compares him with every shirtless influencer on TikTok. Every day, her phone bombards her with new options, validation, and temptation. Reality check. The age gap can work, but only if both people are emotionally mature and grounded in real world values, not online validation. Social media is the invisible third person in many age gap relationships. Every post becomes a test of loyalty. Every selfie invites attention. Every like can spark jealousy. And what starts as innocent scrolling often turns into emotional cheating, or what's worse, self comparison. Some Filipinas begins to resent their partner for being older, less trendy, or boring, not because he changed, but because the algorithm keeps showing her something younger, flashier, and seemingly better. Social media rewards short term attention, not long term love. Let's call it what it is: a ball of confusion. Many Filipinas caught between tradition and modernity feel lost. They want a stable man, but also crave the thrill of attention. They want love, but fear judgment. They post relationship goals, but secretly wish for freedom. And on the other side, many foreign men become equally confused, wondering, did she really love me, or was I just a phase in her journey for online fame? When social media defines happiness, emotional maturity becomes a luxury, not a habit. On social media, age becomes a filter, not a number. Younger users get more reach, engagement, and validation. This drives many young Filipinas to show more skin, share more drama, or play the victim. Not because they are bad people, but because the system rewards chaos. Meanwhile, older men, used to traditional values, feel blindsided. They can't understand why their loving girlfriend suddenly acts like an influencer chasing likes instead of intimacy. The truth is that she is not in love with another man, she's in love with attention. This isn't just an age gap, it's a generation gap. Older men grew up writing letters and talking face to face. Younger Filipinos grow up online, where love is measured in emojis and engagement. When these worlds collide, expect misunderstanding, miscommunication, and mistrust. You might think you're giving love. She might think you are trying to control her. You see commitment. She sees restriction. That's the emotional friction of this modern love equation. The moment of truth usually comes when reality replaces fantasy. The relationship becomes less exciting. The phone becomes more important than the partner, and validation replaces conversation. That's when many relationships implode, not because love wasn't real, But because attention become more addictive than affection. Yes, but only if boundaries, maturity, and communication are in place. Here's what works. She must understand that social media isn't reality. He must understand that confidence, not control, earns respect. Both must unplug to reconnect in real life, not online. Age gap love can be beautiful, but only if both people are emotionally compatible and digitally disciplined. Social media and age gaps aren't the real villains. Confusion is. When love meets illusion and validation becomes currency, people forget how to be present. So if you are an older man dating a younger Filipina or a Filipina in an age gap relationship, remember this. Your phone might give you attention, but it can also destroy your connection. Turn off the noise, return to truth, and maybe, just maybe, you will find that real love still exists offline. If you found value in this talk, hit that like button, share your story in the comments, and subscribe for more real world insights on cross cultural love, relationships, and life in the Philippines. Oh, by the way, Rice is life in the Philippines. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.